to go right along here to 22. You can barely see that, huh? 22-2, actually that's the one we want to take a look at and find the derivative. So let's go over and let's actually make that a little smaller font there. Okay, so we want to take the derivative of this thing, and I don't think it's going to be as bad as it looks, to be honest with you. I just don't think it'll be as bad as it looks. It looks pretty bad. First thing is, it's a log function. Can we rewrite it in any way? And the answer to that is no, before we actually take the derivative. So we're just going to follow through and use the formula, right? So the derivative of the log function, actually we're going to end up having a fraction. I need to copy that. Okay. We're going to have y prime is equal to, now we take the log, the way the log works is we take the derivative of what's inside the parentheses, right? What's inside the parentheses. So let's look at this first part here. We're going to take the derivative of 6 raised to the 6x. Remember how to do that. That's just the derivative of the exponent, which is 6. Then we rewrite the whole thing, which means that I need to put a parentheses around that. So we have 6 raised to the 6x, rewrite it, and then we say the natural log of the base, which is 6, right? The natural log of the base right here. And what about the derivative of 12? Derivative of 12, derivative constant is 0, so we don't have to do any more with that. Now, down here in the denominator, we just rewrite the whole thing. And of course, I'm going to put a parentheses around it. So we have 6 raised to the 6x plus 12. And then we take the natural log of this base right here, which happens to be 7. So we don't want to forget that. Okay? And then the question is, can we reduce any of this, cancel anything out? And it doesn't look like we can. You might want to actually write this 6 raised to the 6x over here on this side. Okay? So let's just recap this real quick. We took the derivative of what's inside the parentheses and put it up here in the numerator, and then we just rewrote the whole thing. Okay? And then you take the natural log of the base. So this is the formula for taking the derivative of a log function here. Alright, so let's go back to the web page and see how that works out. Okay, so we have 6, right, times the natural log of 6. We're taking the derivative of this guy right here, times 6 raised to the 6x. And then we rewrite, take natural log of. And that's what we had. 6, yeah, okay. So there it is. Alright, come on over and practice, and I'll see you there.